Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and what I'm going to show you now, though it doesn't look very fancy item to you, but it's a very unique thing. It's a harp design, and when you have liking for something, just like a person who loves music and he wants something unique, you have to find the right vendor to make it as per your requirement, and that is what Arson does. A design of a harp converted to a shelf type design. Here we have got two shelves, the size exactly as given by the client, 5 feet height, the pillar base is 20 inches wide, both the legs front and back, and this way it's 2 feet. And overall the designing part, everything as per the client's design and what he asked for, and that is what we are doing. When we talk about theme based designs, we talk about what client want. You may have a very unique idea, and this really happens in the case of architects, interior designers. When you think of a very unique, very brilliant idea, but what really happens is you don't find right people to make it. Either you go to a local carpenter, you go to a local person, and he doesn't have much idea what exactly you're looking for. But here we are making so many items, so different items every day, as per the theme, as per the drawings, as per the 3D drawings that the client provides by hand. This is not done by any machine. This is done by artisans, master artisans who understand your requirement in solid teak wood. A beautiful design, and maybe a collectible, a really unique piece for someone who loves music or has flair for these kind of things. In solid teak wood, light walnut finish, this one is going to US. Along with a lot of other stuff, this is a beautiful decoration piece. For home decor purposes, if you're looking for something really different, you can check our designs and let us know what you like. Send your design, we'll make it as per your requirement, as per your like, as per your design, as per the colors, everything as per the choice, and deliver to your home in India or out of India. To 55 countries we are already delivering. It could be a small piece, a small designer piece like this, or a very big unit. What you want, let us know. We have a huge team sitting here to understand your requirement and make what you like at factory price and the quality of Arson. Hope you like our work. Let us know. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.